In the vibrant world of feline fitness, there lived a cat named Rocky, an anthropomorphic cat with muscles rippling across his fluffy frame. Rocky was passionate about bodybuilding, and his charisma matched his physical prowess. Known for his strength and cool attitude, he was a neighborhood icon. As the sun set, Rocky strutted down the driveway towards his stylish modern house, gleaming in the evening light. The house, with sleek lines and futuristic design, reflected Rocky's sense of style and grace. Dressed in a snug gym tank top, he walked confidently on two legs. His sunglasses shielded his eyes from the sunset's brilliance, adding mystery to his presence. In his hand, he carried a protein shaker, filled with nutrients that fueled his workouts. Trees lined the driveway, their leaves rustling gently, providing a perfect backdrop for Rocky's walk.